MBSE Enabled Integrated Modeling and Simulation Language. X Language. Model-based systems engineering (MBSE) is the key and inevitable choice to carry out complex system forward design and original innovation, and this is especially true for the development of complex equipment. However, existing MBSE languages, methodologies, and software tools have inherent flaws that lack of capability for whole process collaborative design and simulation, making it difficult to ensure the consistency between various parts of a system and the traceability of the modeling and simulation processes. The X language, together with the corresponding methodology and software, is a new MBSE technology system developed by Beihang University, which integrates a variety of modeling theories and specifications, fundamentally solving the existing MBSE's problem of disconnection between design modeling and simulation validation. The X language provides two modeling syntaxes, graph and text, with consistent meta models. On this basis, X language provides a unified formal modeling specification for conceptual design, system architecture, and physical behaviors, and supports hybrid modeling and collaborative simulation of continuous systems, discrete event systems, and intelligent systems, which guarantees seamless integration at all stages of system development, improves the traceability of the whole modeling and simulation processes of the system, and helps R&D teams to achieve comprehensive and efficient information exchange, sharing, and reuse. The X language can be applied to systems engineering and system of systems engineering in a variety of fields, such as aerospace, shipbuilding, automobile, electric power, electronics, communication, and networks. Whether designing complex flight control systems or developing innovative intelligent transportation systems, X language can provide engineers with powerful modeling and simulation tools to support their decision-making and validation throughout the entire process. X language, with its mission of breakthroughs and innovation, brings new experiences and more possibilities to system engineers. Through the university-industry research cooperation, an ever-improving and mature X language technology system will play an active role in improving the efficiency of design and development of complex systems and supporting original innovation.